Today we're in San Lorenzo North and we're looking at what is probably one of my favorite properties we have for sale right now. Let's start with the driveway. As you come up, you've got this really fun long driveway, and who doesn't like a long driveway? This property was built about 4 years ago, and when I tell you that everything was thought about, it's probably an understatement. Before we start, let's go over the specs. It's a 6-bedroom villa, 4,222 square meter plot and 1,068 of covered area, and it is wonderful. As you arrive, you're greeted with this great double height ceiling, immediately providing that wow factor. And one of my favorite things about touring this property is the setup. 2 buttons and the lights are on and the shutters are open. As we move in from the entrance hall, we arrive at the kitchen. Top of the line German bulb-topped kitchen with anything you can think of. Integrated exhaust, so you have a seamless ceiling, and of course a teppanyaki plate, if that's how you say it. And one of my favorite things, you've got both sparkling and normal water at the tap of a button. And from there we get into the lounge. You got the triple aspect, so with the southwest facing sun, you get sun all day around. You also have a double-sided gas fireplace which connects to your very own home office. Also adjacent to the kitchen, you've got the dining room with 2 built-in wine fridges, which is exactly where they're meant to be. And all these 3 rooms connect directly to your outside area. And speaking of outside, a testament of the good construction of this property, just look how thick these windows are. With the most gorgeous outside space, you've got an 18 by 5 meter heated and covered pool and plenty of sunshine to go around. Also on the ground floor, you've got 3 great size ensuite guest bedrooms. As we go up the steps, you also have a pre-installation for a lift that takes you to all floors. But let me show you the best bedroom yet. This is what I call a walk-in wardrobe, and you've got these lovely double doors that take you straight into the main bedroom, and it overlooks the stunning San Lorenzo Golf Course. Of course, in the lower ground floor, you have the mandatory fully equipped gym, which comes with its very own foldable sauna. What's a foldable sauna? And the cinema room, how it's meant to be. Not a replica of a commercial cinema, but a room you actually want to enjoy and you're comfortable in. And lastly, an incredibly spacious double garage, built-in wardrobes all on the side, perfect for your golf clubs and your bikes. That's it for today. This is reference 4033, so if you want to look, check our website or give me a call. I'm Sam from Mapro. Thanks for watching.